Thank you, James Carville, for sharing that about when he looked at using his electrical power, his life force electrical power, the electrical power in cells, cellular learning speed, and mentioned something about Trump as having a personality disorder. And I did a video about cellular disorder is a breathing disorder because cells love to breathe. Right. As that relates to haploid types, cellular processing types, and cellular learning speed types, the transcription, the recording speed, and the speed of learning. And that's critical when you acknowledge or can translate what monadic alignment means. Galactic alignment, universal alignment, planetary alignment, the star field, the field, the first field, the first electric field, the first magnetic field, the first light field. To experience breathing as one again. A gain of mathematical function is a gain in breathing function. Breathing as one, breathing in divine right order, which is the sequence of divine right timing, divine right order, and divine right balance. The law of spheres is the law of balance. Now we're not experiencing any distortions in the music. So when we use the word algorithm, I practice this a lot when I'm breathing. Rhythm, harmony, balance. Rhythm, harmony, balance. Rhythm, harmony, balance. So our nerves are experiencing being totally relaxed and totally loved. And that's totally being free. Because now we're experiencing being whole pie. 31 and 13. Reading from left to right, right to left. Zero out both clocks. Now I'm breathing as one with the first cell, the first atom, the first electric field, the eternal life force field. Breathing pure internal, the inner you, not the outer domain, the inner domain. To Asia into Dore, to Asia into Dore, to Asia into Dore. Aya, aya, aya. Mueva aya, Maharata, Mueva ashale. Which is correcting codes, breathing codes. Holographic breathing codes, as in nodes, like lymph nodes, like lymphatic system, has been freed. The hormones, the secretions, as the accretion level of restoring 0 degrees. Breathing 90 on the vertical and 90 on the horizontal. So the center point of that intersection between a vertical and a horizontal line. The first spin, spinning to the right, the electric side, is in perfect balance with the magnetic side to experience being whole, the entire spectrum, sensing the entire spectrum and experiencing silver and gold. The inside, the inner breath of silver and gold, the inhalation and the exhalation are in perfect rhythm, harmony, and balance with the core. The core still point of a 2 vacuum. So something that I mentioned yesterday on the Goldfish report to her, and I tried to put it, I did put it in what you would perceive as simple language terms about the still point of a true vacuum, what we call power run-ups. So we all know what a power run-up is. testing the water, right? We're eternally sensitive, and so we don't want to cause any harm. How much voltage can they handle, right? So you're monitoring the voltage. So source, the eternal life force field, the one I serve is the one I am. So I'm experiencing the power run up. To experience being more electric. To restore the balance of the electric field and the light field. To experience being joined as one. Breathing as one. With the core. The first rainbow. So I'm experiencing the power run-ups. So I know what's going on. And those are called adjustments, which is tuning, which is timing, the timing factor, the mathematical factor, the 4 mathematical factors, right? Reducers, increasers, dividing and multiplying the exponent of a matrix, the water table mathematics, the memories of water, the memories of trees, real trees of life, real light is eternal light, which is the eternal life force field, first electrical field, the eternal life force field. And experiencing real light flowing through every cell. And that increases our speed, which is our shield, which is our learning speed. Now we're learning through the first cell, which is not artificial. It's not an artificial cell phone. First water, proto. Tiwa, ya. So yeah, so that's why I woke up this morning and have a bit of a headache on my left side. And that's not unanticipated because of the day, the numbers, the mathematical numbers, the mathematical tables, mathematical complex number space, gate complexes, the prison complex, yeah, and leashes, collars, and cages, holding energy captive. It's a no-no. To siphon energy off another cell, and that's called an attachment. Attaching itself. So you know what disattachment is, right? Let it go. Water under a bridge. Water under an Aurora bridge. Let it go. Just let it go. Just let it go. Just let it go. So I get communication all the time. It's communicating to me. Salu Kaleaya. I'm sending you a pink rose. We love you all. Itawa Shaleaya. Letting it go. Letting it go. And letting it go. And just let it go. Just let it go. So I when it communicates, what it is. That's why sometimes I used to chuckle when back in the day with Monica